Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Jensen Adventures. I'm Tiffany.
And I'm Chad, and we're here at the trailhead to Top of the World in Moab, Utah.
Alone in my apartment, I should have seen the warning sign. Money don't come easy, so most of us are chained to being busy till we can earn a little piece of my mind. What does it mean?
So far, the Top of the World trail has been pretty easy. A little bit of a bumpy ride, but nothing super technical yet.
Life is more than what we've been told it's supposed to be. Oh, la la let me be. La la let me be. La la let me be free. La la let me be. La la let me be. La la let me be free. And it's such a mystery. We're still repeating our histories, even with the warning sign. Please help me out. Frustrated that this is the selfish world that we've been given. Oh, can we try and help each other out? So la la let me be. La la let me be. La la let me be free. La la let me be. La la let me be. La la let me be free. So what does it mean to be free? To be free in this American dream. Oh, help me believe life is more what we've been told. What we've been told. What we've been told. What we've been told.
So first part of Top of the World trail, relatively easy. Once you kind of get to the climb up to the top of the world, you get to quite a few obstacles, but it actually made this trail a lot more fun.
Stay straight, yeah. Slow.
It was more difficult than I anticipated. Watching some YouTube videos, it looks like it's eroded a little bit since some of those videos, but a lot of fun.
Highly recommend.
Well, we made it to the top of the world. As you can see, the view behind me is spectacular. I am actually standing on part of the ledge that is hanging over the edge. The last 4 to 6 feet or so actually are over the ledge, so it's really beautiful. Sweet Bronco.
Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, that thing's awesome.
It's first time I've had it off road.
Oh yeah?
Just finished the restoration.
Wow.
September.
Yeah.
So 140 miles into it so far.
Man, that
Figured
thing
I'd test it out.
thing is awesome. How's it doing?
Dude, really well.
Yeah.
Really well. Yeah, can't complain. But
Man, yeah, just looks brand new.
yeah, I'm just trying to avoid, body damage.
Yeah,
I'll
for
take
sure.
scrapes underneath.
This is testing it though, I bet.
It is.
Yeah.
I think I should have drove it around town, a little
Is
more.
this your shakedown right here?
This is a good shakedown.
Yeah, for sure. This is the way to do it. Well, awesome. We'll get out of your guys' way.
Yeah, no, you're fine. You're good.
Man, that Gladiator's sweet.
Oh, it's a Brute.
Oh, wait, it is.
Yeah, it's a JK platform.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Wait, what?
it's a JK platform
So,
pickup.
what year is it?
15.
Brute double
I didn't-
cab.
Wow.
It's a 2015.
Wow, that is sweet.
Yep.
I didn't
Wow,
even
that's
know-
awesome.
Is that
AEV put the Hemi engine in it.
Oh, geez.
Yeah, it's a
So
five.
did they didn't make that from the factory, did they?
That's not from the factory. It's AEV conversion.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but like,
So that was a JK.
yep.
Oh,
It's a JK.
wow. Wow, that is freaking awesome.
Yep.
It looks just like a Gladiator. I never would have guessed.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure there's differences, but
Pretty much the same.
Oh.
Especially, I measured the wheelbase
Yeah.
and the body length. Pretty much the same.
wow.
The
Awesome rig,
the
man.
biggest difference is the engine bay.
So there you have a Hemi V8 in there.
Yep.
Wow. Freaking awesome.
Yep.
Super jealous.
Your Jeep is really cool as well.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, have fun out there.
Yeah. You pretty cool up there?
Oh yeah. Oh, it's awesome. That's a long wheelbase coming up here.
Yeah.
That's awesome. It's awesome.
Got both of them.
Finishing up the top of the world trail here. Chad is currently airing us back up. If you guys didn't catch day 1 of Moab, we hit Elephant Hill. I'll go ahead and put the link below. If you've been to Moab and you've gone to the top of the world, comment below and let us know what your experience was like.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up day 2 at the Top of the World Trail. If you guys like this content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for day 3 where we're hitting Hell's Revenge and Fins and Things. Later.